Hello students, welcome to the new session and I wish you all the best for this session. So children, stay at home, be safe and be healthy, but be in touch with the books. A good initiative has taken by our DPS MRN to interact with you through the online classes. So, I am here to teach you social studies of class 6th. As you all have studied in EVS in the primary classes, most of the topics of EVS are same as in social studies. So, social studies is divided into 3 parts, that is in the 3 books. So, the first book is history. The name of the book is Our Past First. Second book is civics, political and social life. The third book is geography, the earth, the habitat. So, student, we will start with the first book, that is history, Our Past First. Hello students, before starting the chapter, I would like to tell you what is history. History is the story of the man. It deals with the events that have happened in the past. It also tells us that how man lived from age to age, what problems man and woman had to face, how did they try to solve those problems. Clear? Now, history also tells us how people lived in the past, which type of plants they use, which type of food they used to eat, what kind of pots they used to cook, what tools and weapons they used to hunt for the animals. But in short, it is that the study of the past is called as a history. Those who study them, they are called as historians. That means the scholars, those who study about the past, are called as historians. So, in this chapter, we have some new words which you can use it as a definition and you can learn them also. Clear? Now, the first one about the historians. As I have already told you about it, scholars, those who study about the past, are called as historians. Skill gatherers. The people who gather the food, they are called as the skill gatherers. They have lived on the banks of the Narmada for several 100,000 years. Manuscript. A book written by hand is called as a manuscript. Now this word manuscript comes from the Latin word manu, means by hand. Manuscript are usually written in India during the Vedic age and also later on the palm leaf or on a specially prepared bark of a tree that is known as a bridge tree, which grows in the Himalayas. Inscriptions. Inscriptions are the words which are inscribed on the hard surface, such as a stone or a metal. Sometimes rulers like the king or the emperors got their orders inscribed on that so that people could read and obey them. The study of the inscriptions, they are called as those who study about these inscriptions, they are called as epigraphy. Archaeology. Archaeologists study the remains of the buildings made of stones and bricks that have preserved paintings and sculptures. They also explore and excavate, dig under the surface of the earth to find the tools, weapons, pots, pans, ornaments and coins. The work of an archaeologist is called archaeology or science of study of old and the ancient remains.